How to add pauses in Elevenlabs. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can add some pauses here in elevenlabs.io. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and don't forget you're going to be able to find the website and sign up links in the description of this tutorial. So first of all, if you go into the speech synthesis, there's where you can type some text in order to get your voiceover. I recommend you to select a voice with the accent and in the language you want to use it. I want to select this one, the young British male. Also, there you have some voice settings like the stability. It depends what you want, and you can try it out and check what you like more. And also, if you want the clarity plus similarity enhancement, it is low by now or it could be high, whatever you want. I'm gonna let it in 80% as default, or you can just tap here in order to make it default. So once you have done that, you must type your text here, and if you want to add a pause, I recommend you to use the symbol hyphen. Okay, in that way, if you add more hyphens in here, the pause is going to be longer. And if you add just a few, the pause is going to be shorter. And that's how it works. You just have to try and generate it. And that way you're going to check how these pauses works. Okay. That's how you can add pauses in Elevenlabs. Thanks for watching.